This is Cesar. I want to show you a spreadsheet that I made for someone who wanted to find out about retiring and which one would be better if retiring at age 62 or at full retirement age. So on the left side you will see the numbers for age 62 and on the right side for retiring at age 66 and 6 months. So what I did is I put the numbers for the age 61 and on the right next to it is the month 61 and 1 month, 61 and 11 months, sorry, 62 and 0 months, and so on. So the numbers will go 0 to 11 actually. So 62 years old and 0 months, 62 years old and 1 month, and so on, and then it changes to 63 years old and 0 months. So the numbers, instead of doing 0 to 12, I'm just doing 63, 0 to 11. Anyway, if you look at it, this person is going to receive $437 the month after he becomes 62. So actually he will start receiving money in March, on March of 2021. If he decides to wait, he will receive money farther down the line. That will be in 2025, September 2025 is when he starts receiving money. He said he's going to receive about $200 more. So it will be, his first paycheck will be 649 instead of 437, something like that. Next to it, there is a little bit of cost of living increase. Currently, as of next year, is going to be 1.3%. So in this case, he's going to be receiving $442 instead of 437 if he does what they give him actually. If he actually gets 437, I'm not sure if that's what he's going to get, approximately. Anyway, so if we do the comparison, you will see that the person will not get money until a few years later. While if he gets the money right away, he will get $24,000 by the time, almost $25,000 by the time the other he retires at 66. He waits, but because it's a higher pay at age 66, eventually the money will catch up. If you look at the side by side, it's going to take some time before the numbers catch up on the right side. So let's say it was going to be like 60, 70 something before the numbers are, they match each other almost. So let's say it's going to be around this level at a 75 or so, or a little more before the numbers are closed. I mean the higher pay eventually catch ups, and the person will start making more if he had, because he waited. So it's gonna take he's gonna have to wait until age about 76 and a half before the numbers are matched to almost to each other, and then because he waited, he's gonna start making more money. So you can think of it for yourself. You can think if you want to wait until age say 70 something, 77, before getting the same money, kind of the cumulative amount. So you decide if you want to say get the $24 in a sooner, or wait some more years and catch up. So you may invest those 24,000, but it's not that much money. But the numbers will help you decide eventually after age 84, which is kind of the age for people who would be probably passed out. A lot of people pass away around 84. At that time, the person will have received 139,000 if return at 62 or 161 if return at 66 and a half. Okay, so yes, so that makes you will make you think about it. What do you want to do? How did we do this spreadsheet? Is very easy. Just put a sample over here. Actually, that I uploaded it to my website. So let's say you put a date. Let's say 2/1/2020, and then you put the age. Let's say your age is 62 in this case, and then you put the next month, which is 3/1/2020. Actually, it's 2021, but I'm just giving you an example for next year's retirement, age 62. And what you do is you grab it with the shift key and you pull it down. Hold the left mouse key and you bring it down, and then you get your numbers. Okay, if you don't see this one, you can click over here and you will see this one is a color. You can remove it. There is a background color over here. I just put some colors in here to help you see better. So if you want to look at the website where you can download it from, is this my website? You can go down here, and I put them on number 4. I need to update it in a second. Calculation, here it is in English. Calculation for Social Security retirement Excel. You can click on this one and it will download it in the most recent Excel format, or this is a little older 2013 format for those who still have the older version of Excel. And then you can actually download it and change the number to your needs. I do have other websites that I would invite you to visit, such as this one, which is from Square, and this is a contact page if you have any questions. This is a real estate page that I have, and some other one. So we do real estate actually. Anyway, hopefully it's useful to you, and let me know if there's something that didn't work or you don't understand. Okay, goodbye.